Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about transport. So either you are hitchhiking or you are traveling through like proper designated transportation, public transportation, private transportation. You're gonna need to know these phrases when it comes to communicating with people, local people. So I'm hoping that this lesson will come in handy when you are trying to like do that. And also it's good to just kind of communicate with just everybody else without barriers of language. So when you are in Botswana and you speak a little bit of Setswana, that will be so helpful for you, and also it will make you, whoever you are traveling with or asking help from, feel like you really care about them because you speak their language. So I'm hoping you're gonna use this someday, one way or the other. And before I begin the video, I just want to say thank you so much for all the subscribers. You really are encouraging me to continue doing this. So thank you so much. All right, so the first mode of transportation that we are going to learn is Sefofane. Sefofane. Sefofane means aeroplane or fly machine. Then we have Bese. Bese. Bese is bus. And then we have Koloi. Koloi. Car. Khombi. Khombi. Minibus. The truth is, when you are in Botswana, one way or the other, if you are not traveling with your private transportation, you're gonna use Khombi. That's the minibuses. They're really cheaper and easier to negotiate or like find. So yeah, Khombi. Sethuthu. Sethuthu. Sethuthu means motorbike or motorcycle. I almost said motorbike, bicycle. So Sethuthu, motorbike. Baesikele. Baesikele. For those who are like in fitness and all the stuff, you're gonna need Baesikele, which is like bicycle in English. And for all those doing touristic stuff, you're gonna maybe ask for kara ya ditonki. Kara ya ditonki, which is like donkey cart. It'll be cool to ride one. So just say palama kara ya ditonki. Then you never know. Depending on where you are, somebody might take you to one. And then now we're going to, where are this mode of transport? Where can you find this mode of transportation? So you are going to say Maemelo difofane. Maemelo difofane. That's the airport. Maemelo difofane. Maemelo dibese. Maemelo dibese. That's the bus stop. Maemelo dipalamo. Maemelo dipalamo. That's your transportation station. You're gonna, if you are using public transportation, you're gonna need to know all these phrases. It'll be easier for you to find or get to them. Ask, where can I find? Maemelo difofane ako kae? Or Maemelo dibese ako kae? Maemelo dipalamo ako kae? Where are the transportation station? Where is the transportation station? Where are the where is the bus station? And where is the airport? So I hope that will come in handy for you when you are in Botswana and you're trying to get to the transportation that you need. So ho fetela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.